Visceral fat is not the layer you can simply pinch underneath your skin. It is the deep, metabolically active fat that wraps around your vital organs, and it matters most for your health. This entire conversation focuses strictly on the proven biology behind fat loss, not quick shortcuts. To understand how to lose it, we must first distinguish visceral fat from the more visible subcutaneous fat. Visceral fat is incredibly active, constantly sending out signals that influence your entire system. Hormones like insulin and cortisol play a massive role in dictating where your body chooses to store or release fat. As we age, hormonal shifts naturally make us more prone to accumulating this internal fat if daily habits aren't optimized. It is important to realize that your actual waist size is not a perfect measurement of your internal visceral fat amount. Most conventional approaches fail because they treat the symptom, not the underlying biological signal. Endless, punishing cardio sessions can sometimes backfire by chronically elevating your stress hormones. Furthermore, constantly striving for extreme calorie deficits signals starvation, which your body resists by holding on to fat. Poor quality or insufficient sleep directly sabotages the hormones responsible for signaling fat release. You simply will not shrink visceral fat effectively by punishing yourself through unsustainable effort. The key to reduction lies in mastering 4 core biological mechanisms that guide fat metabolism. Mechanism 1 involves maintaining steady, healthy blood sugar levels throughout the day. This stability dramatically improves muscle insulin sensitivity, allowing your cells to efficiently use energy. Next, we must focus on rebalancing the stress and hunger hormones to create an environment for fat loss. Finally, regulating your nervous system shifts your body from a storage state to one where fat burning is prioritized. The fastest daily habits directly leverage these biological principles for predictable results. Habit number 1 is taking a brisk walk immediately after you finish eating your main meals. This specific timing helps clear the immediate sugar spike without requiring a long, exhausting cardio session. Habit number 2 involves incorporating short, powerful resistance movements several times a week. These short bursts of intensity are excellent for boosting muscle sensitivity without causing significant recovery stress. Though we are focusing on biology, remember that structuring meals around protein first is highly beneficial. The 4th key habit is rigorously protecting your sleep schedule and managing daily stressors. These small, consistent actions yield powerful, long-term results far superior to crash dieting. What sustainable results look like is gradual, but steady change across your entire metabolic profile. The true goal here is not just weight loss, but a deep and lasting metabolic repair. We often see increased energy and better posture as positive side effects of this internal tuning. A major mistake people make is relying too heavily on long, grueling cardio sessions for visceral fat. Another pitfall is skipping meals, which disrupts the critical blood sugar stability we just discussed. Fundamentally, your body prioritizes fat loss only when its internal environment feels safe and regulated. To recap, the fat reduction process is driven by signals activating hormones, which then command your cells. Ultimately, the fastest way to shrink visceral fat is never about harder physical effort, but entirely about smarter biology. If you found this science-based approach valuable, please subscribe to our channel for more deep dives. Finally, liking and sharing this video helps others on their journey reclaim their health knowledge too.